everyone, thanks for watching. In today's video we will be making some Dollar Tree DIY glitter Christmas trees. So we are throwing a Christmas party this year, so I've already been looking up decoration ideas and I really wanted to start making some things. As usual, we will start with everything that you need to make it. First up, you will need some foam cones. I wanted them all different sizes, so I got a couple small ones, and then I also got 2 poster boards so that we can make large ones, medium size, and then we will also have the small. You also need some Mod Podge, which they do sell at Dollar Tree, and some glitter, which they also sell at Dollar Tree, but of course when I went they were all out of all of their art supply stuff, so luckily I have glitter and Mod Podge at home. So yeah, that's all you need to begin. If you did want to color your Christmas trees, then I would recommend getting some spray paint or some type of paint. This is definitely my first video that I am making the DIY as I am talking. Usually I film the DIY and then I go back over and do the voiceover, so this is kind of weird to be doing this in real time. I opened up these and now I'm going to take my poster board and kind of get an idea of how big I want the tree to be. How the fuck do you bend this? First, I'm going to map out how I want my tree cut. Here's the design that I will be cutting to make my tree. I hope you can see it. I started on the corner and I'm just going to cut the corner straight across. And then I did a semicircle right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut that out. So here is the shape once you have cut it out. I'm just gonna go ahead and take and curl it just like so. And as you can see, the bottom's a little uneven, so I will have to go ahead and trim it a little bit. You can use tape, glue, whatever you want to secure the back side. And I'm just going to take some Elmer's glue and put a little line of that right down one of the sides. And then I'm just going to curl it right back up and glue it down. And so that I don't have to hold it in place while it dries, I did add a little staple just to hold it down, and once it's dry, I'm going to remove the staple. And here is how the cone looks. So if it is a little lopsided, then you can continue trimming the bottom until it is straight. Like I said, you can go ahead and spray paint it, add rhinestones, glitter, whatever you want for your final touches. I'm gonna go ahead and make a few more in different sizes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and embellish all of them. Also, just a little side note so you don't waste your glitter, I do like to pour the glitter over something like a poster board or a piece of paper. That way all of the excess glitter that doesn't stick on to your tree will fall right onto the poster board, and then you can curl it up like this and pour the glitter back into the container. That way you're not wasting it and you can reuse it. I'm also going to stick this wooden stick right through the bottom just to make it easier to hold while I pour the glitter. And here is how it came out. I'm going to stick it somewhere up and down like this to let it dry. And it's okay if you missed a few spots. We can always go back and do a second layer if there are some blotchy spots or some spots that are missing glitter. I also got some of this adhesive spray from the Dollar Tree and I want to see how that works. So that's what I'm going to use now on this second smaller cone. If it doesn't work, then I'm just going to do a second layer with the Mod Podge, but it doesn't hurt to try. This is a lot quicker and easier than using Mod Podge. So that is all for my DIY glitter Christmas tree. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.